Good evening guys, it's IT Shiesty here, and I'll be teaching you how to install Kdenlive, which is pretty much a video editing software that's available on Linux, and it's known to be quite stable. And as I've had some troubles with DaVinci Resolve running on my Linux Mint machine, I've had to convert to Kdenlive. And so let's just get into the video. Now, there are a couple ways to install Kdenlive on your Linux machine, and here's the website. You can download it from the official website. If you're using a Linux Mint machine, Ubuntu or Debian, it'd be a .deb file. And yeah, here's the download page. But what we're going to do, we're going to get a bit of an easier one, or an easier, faster way to download it. So we're going to use the command line, which is what all Chads use, in case you didn't know. So we're just going to update our system with the apt update command. So yep, that's just updating, or not our system, but it's updating our repositories where we get all our updates from. So that's what's going on here. And yeah, I got an alias that that reads C. So my bash prompt reads C as clear. So that's a nice way to so you don't have to press. So instead of pressing inputting clear, you can just use C, like the word C, not the language, because I'm not an old man. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna now that we've updated our system, we're now ready to install the Kdenlive, and let's install it with the apt one as well. Now, yep, we're installing, and it's just telling us how much space it's going to need and how much space it's going to use. So we're just going to press yes or Y, and that's just going to get it started. Yeah, so it's very simple installation from the command line, so we don't have to make it harder than it should be. And yep, as you can see, download is complete. It's all been set up. So now to open it, we're just going to use this command. Oh, we could even use the application startup menu, but as I said before, if you want to be a Chad, you use the command line for everything. So we can just use this command to open it up. And here we go. It's opening here. Just have to move it into the screen, and here's the video editing software for all the Linux Chads out there, because you're a Chad, right? Anyway, thank you guys, and that's the end of the video.